never get none of something?
No, the Chinese man pissed me off so bad with me.
A lot of them don't even wear their pants on their waist. They wear their pants on them body. With them body hole out the door and them underpants out the door. And the underpants don't even look clean. It's some old raga underpants there. So we are heading to Westmoreland for the final time. I actually want to go to Antiquity and then go to Salve because I need some stuff. I need my sour beer, I need Campari for babe, and my little meat season, chicken season stuff. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. Then we're going to River.
It's a beautiful day in the community, you know, guys. It's a beautiful day on the island.
Yeah, so put the answer, babe.
No, take me a thing. I mean one.
Oh.
Just gathering up everything in one place. So you step out the door. If you forget something, go that in another bag.
Oh.
And fold up the bags. Mixture. I don't know if I take me run belly or what.
So
I wake up this morning to a wash out my first. Wash right out. So clean, you know. Took on the road.
One thing with this Airbnb, these Chinese people that live across the street, they're loud.
You don't say a Chinese them.
Yes.
Them are Chinese mixed with black, don't call them. They look up boys who play outside all the time. He half Chinese, half black.
They're loud as.
So some of them are real Chinese over there. They're very loud and free.
Very. Maybe because where I live in Florida is so quiet.
Maybe your house not close to nobody's house, right?
Well, you're right, that too. But they are loud and shit. I mean morning, noon and night.
People are enjoying their neighborhood, the safety of their neighborhood.
I guess so.
Listen, there's really two Jamaica, okay? There one side of Jamaica where people don't really need locks on their doors. And I must say them a ball out for Andrew. And the one like a fenke lock on that the door there. The parotil. That's it.
Screens missing out also, that's the thing.
50 gun in the house, if me have them still with a power car, anybody can just walk right in. That's no security, but they're safe as hell up here, boy. They're safe in their space. So let me film this beautiful neighborhood, or part of it anyways. We've been here before.
In 100 meters,
to another
turn
part.
left. Take the next left, then turn right.
Man, it's Charlie biscuit. But something I realized being in Jamaica is that the men here, especially the newer set of generation men, all have plait up here, twine up here, ketchup here. No one has a low haircut. They either have a fro, plait up, twine up, cane row. And I'm talking about people that have a 9-to-5 job, people that are working. That's how they go out to work, to school. And quite honestly, it does not look good. A lot of them have two scoops of hair. And it doesn't look professional either. I don't understand why they think that looking like artists, because from me, I grew up till now, the only person I see with hair are artists, reggae and dancehall artists. I guess they say they want to be like the artists and live artist lifestyle. Quite frankly, it does not look professional, and most of the time that I see them with hair, it's not groomed, it's not upkept, it's a raga raga. Wow. It don't even look attractive, and that's coming from a woman. It do not look attractive. Maybe the woman them out there like it. I like them same thing there. But wow. Don't like it at all. But with that being said, going to Westmoreland. We're in Montego Bay now. Oh, and another thing, a lot of them don't even wear their pants on their waist. They wear their pants on them body, with them body hole out the door and them underpants out the door, and the underpants don't even look clean. It's some old raga raga underpants. They have this like, oh my god. Anyways, we're in Montego Bay, heading to Westmoreland. This will be my last time going to Westmoreland. So we're in South. We just went to go drop off Auntie Cutie. And before I forget, because I have to talk about this.
And banana too.
So I went to a Chinese wholesale supermarket, and that's where I went to go get alcohol and stuff, because they normally sell everything in bulk. It's cheaper and easier. But Jamaican people need to do it and start get their own wholesale and supermarket, because
And we went to the trampoline park.
I can't keep coming to Jamaica and seeing this shit. If you see how that Chinese man was dealing with a black Jamaican,
And we went
the man pick up a water. Chinese man say $65. The man give him $100. They give him $100. He wouldn't even bend over the counter to get the $100. And I tell the man say, come. He wouldn't even bend a little to take the money out of the man. Han.
He's like this.
The black man say, oh, you couldn't reach it.
Like that.
So she ain't bend over and give him the money.
Like this.
So when the Chinese man, they go back for give him $30 in change or $40,
He's like this guy.
he was like,
She said me not to go inside, so I want to see how me do it. Can't
okay. So the man say, the man hold out his hand right in front of him like this and don't move until the Chinese man bend over and put the 40 in change in his hand. And the black man say, me can't reach it. Come. I didn't ring up the alcohol already and had a receipt for the alcohol. I literally turned to my auntie and said, if I didn't ring up this, them couldn't get no blood clot money, no more money from me.
You don't get it back until you.
And then he start acting nice. Oh, you need anything? Oh, it's not like that.
It's all good. Here. You can have your teeth, but you can't.
Christiana High School may be
because it was
head east toward A2.
We need to do better and keep empowering these Chinese Jamaican or Chinese people in Jamaica to keep treating black Jamaicans like that. They act like black Jamaicans are subservient or less than them, and the way that they treat, and this is not the first time, this is not the second time, this is a continuous thing, like every single time I come to Jamaica.
Hello, mommy.
Come outside, car, come. You want to see what she do with my car? I think I have two machines over. One scans for me. So
one
me
scan.
chopper man.
Alright, so
One scans for you. Baby, better hold that.
I need to talk now.
but yeah,
Super haircut.
I'll show you guys what I get when I get home.
Haircut.
Oh, you recording?
Yeah,
Oh.
I was. But you have to talk about the Chinese interaction and the
Thinking, that's the China people. I can't stand them.
Continue on A2 for 39
I
kilometers.
know I'm not racist. I just can't stand these ones.
They act like black Jamaican subservient to them and lower than them. They're allowed to disrespect and belittle them.
They in the right place though. Watch what one. They're in the right place.
Anyways,
This like you know.
No, you cannot put it under your
let me not say too much.
Yeah.
Inside.
Anyways, yeah.
Exactly.
Get a drum as a toy for Christmas. Was one of the greatest innovators. The note and the right. It's a whole yard full of pans.
So I'm gonna end this vlog here. We have officially made it to Clarendon. We went to Westmoreland. Got a little bit. Gonna do some shopping because we leave here in a few. And now we're in Clarendon at Babe's grandparents' house. So yeah, I'm gonna wrap this vlog up. I'll show you guys exactly what I bought and all of that tomorrow. Everybody tired? Yeah, end up behind the truck again. Why is it? Oh, great.
Alright, so thank you.
camera.
There is nothing that I didn't get. I want everything.
Alright, so
Me never get. The only thing I didn't get was any me never get no rum cream. Me never get no
rum cream.
Me never get no rum cream. Me never get no JB. And me never get no apple. Me normally like get 2 buckle of Appleton, 2 buckle of JB, and then like 12 rum cream.
You never get none of that something like that?
No, the Chinese man pissed me off so bad. Me hurry up and come out and people in place. I was like, I can't do this.
I forgot about that. What you know, them will kill you with the
tourist price.
We don't want the tourist price. We know better.
We know better. You're right.
No, you can't go in there and say and on your better, because that's how they catch you.
Oh, you have to drop off.
Oh, Papa, you drop off at chair.
alright, let me go fix Papa. So it's the last day here. We came back from Clarendon. I packed 2 suitcases. 1 is left. That's what the Aki and the rest of the stuff is gonna go in. Why babe left my over 16 fish, fry fish in Clarendon? So if you're wondering why I didn't pick up this camera, is because of that. 16 fish left in the fridge to spoil. So yeah, I'm finishing packing and ended my night here. I'll see y'all tomorrow. We leave tomorrow.
So this is our first time traveling with JetBlue. We normally go with American Airlines and our flight is delayed by 2 hours. This is why I don't use other airlines. I stick to American. American has never failed us. Sorry JetBlue, but I'm never flying with you guys again. Between the speed of the plane when we were coming, it kind of freaked me out seeing it on the screen, and now our flight delayed.
And then we're going on
With 2 kids, a delayed flight is not it. It's not it.
Then we're going on a jet speed.
A jet speed.
A JetBlue. We're going on a JetBlue, not an airplane.
All right.
Peace.
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 This has lot of food, good looking food, and we wanted to get some. So I said maybe next time we come we'll get some. And they stopped the flight or delayed our flight, so now we have ample time to try the food. And Shakira, she is always hungry, you know, she walks with her belly, so she saw the food. Kai Malani are really funny. Are you gonna drink it? No, do you like it? That's the question. Because I just ordered more. He's not even drinking. I can tell you that drinking is not going down in the cup. You don't have to drink all of it, but if you like it, then that's good. So we won't waste it. Yeah, I was saying, Kai and Malani are very funny eaters and drinkers, and we've been catching hell trying to find the stuff that they do drink. And we just had, this is what flavor? Strawberry?
I like strawberry.
Strawberry lemonade.
I like the strawberry.
And they drank all of it. Look at her burger. Oh, man. One thing we fancy is a fancy burger.
A gourmet burger.
Check this out.
You want fries?
Look at this.
What is it, Kelly?
Don't squeeze it.
That's yours and your brother's.
Let's put ketchup in.
Let me see, Kai. The food that we ate at the airport was everything. My gourmet burger was one of the best burgers I've ever had, and I will definitely give it a 9 out of 10. The only other place I've had a gourmet burger and it was top notch was the Hard Rock Hotel in Texas, and that was a 10 out of 10. And this is coming up right at second place. We will definitely be eating here again when we go to Jamaica because the food, amazing, worth every penny. The customer service, quick, fast, friendly. But we came home super late. I think we came home like 1 a.m. because our flight was delayed. I was over it. I was tired because I was up the whole night before. I was cooking akis and packing them and putting them in the freezer and making sure a suitcase was packed properly. So I did not pick up my camera. And as you can see from these pictures, I was very much over it. I just wanted to take everything out of the suitcase and pack away everything that needed to go in the fridge and call it a day. So with that being said, this is the last Jamaica vlog. I hope you guys enjoy, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one.
Bye.